Kase anope me moache me moakwa ba me da se social Adom TV 7 no edoso de obetie bi ene se Veterinary Council no what the adishwede mu ode ato Ghana mpanimfo nim sesi kabotino de se adwumako ni mu a ebema ho de wo akoyie no wonfa enom wo sanso na ideal wo mo eto akrade bi yeso chen saa to Dubai wo mo edi nkunim no wonsa akande ma hodo bi wo se wode etu kwan na framante mo so afo se ukọ ho a ho eye bia ya hodo a hodom no my Gandhi nyam from papa efri ye mu nsem ye de ebema wo we ne nsem ahodo bi anam de ma o se bedwam so kase kai se DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 119 wushia me aya freme anoche wa ba ajwa se wa fi nsem de ntwemo no me de to so ama Emperimfo apojima de sronko bi ho entoma ye National Rabies Prevention Campaign e won kran kropom ha se na dwumade no ase no e na Veterinary Council no wo mo registrar Dr. Kisley Mickey Aye wo de adehwede moden e to Ghana ba no anim se sika botino de be wura veterinary service nim na ma ho da wubo akoyie na rabies no benya akwanya chechro manfo se yade e wo ho kwan e be fa so wonya bie enkrama e wo ho nyuna na montu go so do mutuo no na atimi akoyie se be ye be bo manfo ho ban rabies yade no kono ne nkonsem fufuro emu Nestle Ghana wo mo na akofa ideal milk abedwa so ho no mfie bebre ni na nansem wo no na wonom eto akrade na akrade no eye soche saa to Dubai eti wo mo adi wo ho hyemu no nipa makoma aduanan ba 41 na wo mo adi nkudim a wontiri yi asese wonya akwanya na akọ Dubai memo na enyimpedefo twetwe nkomo Nestle Ghana no public affairs manager Deborah Kwabla na wo kasa hyese omo peso bo manfo a wonya eye ideal milk no mu agidie mfie bebre no and it's ready for Africa no mo motibi kopie mu obi man so be ye nka ya mo afebo.
Yeah, promotion for 4 months. Now winners bebre and enya cash award, shopping vouchers. And na cry award TVs ni fridges. But and the pani 7 winners na omenya all expense paid trip to Dubai no. Na enya 7 nkwa na eko +1 inti nipa wankasa opesa udika ho no ena eko sa trip and the pass yetimi award na omo gi ideal milk di omo num ideal milk ye damase say for the past 52 years money ya nanti abesine for 52 years nkofo ato ideal omo num ideal inti no ye say ye di asida emma ye loyal consumers na ye hwa idea ebema omani agipa ni once in a lifetime experience
wono mu a wadi nkunimu a Nestle afa wo ho ka ya wo beko Dubai no ene ya mani boni twetwe nkomo a ne wani agiye pa no wode nsem sei ene to nanim
da Nestle Ghana for nyina ase wo adepa amaya amaye ne ye njindi nenso ene de yo mama ye hu se bibia eye real nam na kwan so pepepe ntia kasa nyankopon won hiro mo e wo adefefa omayama eye Ghana manyina
mensusu da sen kame ku Dubai enso me test no kra na nipa ni bibu mabam so the office o kra we ne deda irade nhram pa me expect say obia ni ideal milk na ideal milk wudi a wo sanya ne pa wom
ye ton koko e wo ashama ya tadika nti mi ko ya yeto bo box be 3 4 timi hu promo ne wo ho ne ma me scratch na me bossa na edi ma bedu eni me da next of nso asepa esan say enyo omo a ka me ngina ha sei
Every hono na yenko framantem no emo na framantem mo eswafo ye Dr. Archibald ya ulechana wode nsɛm to dwa kyerɛ na nsɛnkyɛ bia ne nsu kakra kato ye ma akɔfra mantem a wo ma hinkro no nipa do no wanso ayirafo wo ma sɛ japade pi nanso obetimi aka de nsɛsi ne bo sɛ de fra mantem wo ma yi mo na emwa fra mantem ne de bo my Ghana ne de koso agina brane yo mbekɔso abo mo ban sɛ bɛyɛ a dwumadi a wo mu didi bo my Ghana no obekɔso akura mu saa.
Not at all. It will not threaten it at all. The fact is that the oxygen content of the air we breathe in who is the highest. And because of the greenery, I mean, we have a lot of greens around that is producing a lot of oxygen for us to breathe. So we only have to do some other things to make sure that when we have floods, when we have heavy rains, we have enough passage for the water to go, and we don't have blockages on the way, and we have enough capacity of the culverts and the drains for the water to go. This happens once a while, and we have to prevent it.
Swafoɔ no ɛkɔ ekurum hɔ nom no wɔne regional nadmo coordinator from Mantamu police commander from Mantamu fire service commander ɛne mpanyinfo afoforo bi a ɛka ho ɛna kɔɔyɛ nanumu ɛna wɔde atomansini no animu sɛ ɛnima animu ya adan sisi miamia ne sɛ nsuo tɔ a enya kwan ɛnkɔ no mansini no hwɛ sɛ obebu ne nyinaa egu fam.
In the meantime, the assembly can start demolishing structures that are obviously on the waterway that have no permits. They can start the demolition. They must talk to the people. Some of them may demolish themselves.
Ivy Mawupemo Amewuga from Mantamu Penny Quancherefo a wɔnanadmu ano. Ɔno nso de tuda sɛ manfo a wɔte from Mantamu a wɔn dodoɔ no ɛboro apem ɛne aduonum mmienu 1052 ɛna sɛ nso yiri enya nsunsuanso bɔne ɛwɔ wɔnom so.
The fire service to rescue some students from the classroom because of yesterday's rain. So I'll get the reports for subsequent days apart from the Saturday. But for now, the Saturday victims that were affected numbers up to 1,052.
Yamka Sante Mantem no emo na Kumasi High Court no womo ekwa setena na mobeka ye anchi ekwa Ada Inspector Chumesi ya manfo susu se wo born empana no nete majo to wo ye Kumasi Adom no any special prosecutor kra no Attorney General Mofanche Attorney General ka se opanyini wadi awu enti na se ho akohia se opanyini ne nsam no die no ekoso na High Court no na opanyini sa de kwatu dua sense ma hodo bu no ka be High Court no enti ne so wo kwa setena no nya de se wo mo agitu mu ya mani boni o heme ntawia abo ansem no sei.
Some years na de omo de afa ye kon ho na komo ma ye abusuafo ne nyina akula anya dai ye mra na nke ye hu ye nim ya ba ye no menkoa ne oba ani abusua panyi na mema 3 ti me fa se ni panum ani etimi wura ade mo afo mo ba me ana mbo mo amane se ye de 26 July ya.
Wei ayansam a awura wadi mfie aduono nson Victoria Dapa ya otafere nsem majwa wonya ne ba bi ko busuani baako majwa no wadi mfie aduono nson a wogya aba baako wa akire no forisi obosmeda etoso aduono ɛna ne mpena Inspector Ahmed Chumasi a owo Kumasi Central Police Station etwentuo adisi ne so bosomi a etwa mu na Sokoyamampo District Court no ebo akire sɛ wonfa Inspector Ahmed Chumasi enkogina Kumasi High Court wabra aba lawyer Penny Attorney General edi awudie ho sobo ebo no. Inspector Ahmed Chumasi a obone mrane se taikuni we any breeding kaya okopie Kumasi High Court a otemwa for Justice Rosemary Bato so etie adwamu yawada majua wanya ne ba bi ko abusuafo a nanka wo hwe ne mu se ubenya chefa ewo asemie no mu no wanya mu chefa isanse court no efre asam ntem so nanso ebra court no ekwa asetena no wahye se wontu asam no nhyada ebra beto dwa se lawyer Ernest Aye ya wo ye Inspector Ahmed Chumasi mranim ni no wantimi amepiem wo asam ni bia ho eka ho bi ama court no antimi amisa Ahmed Chumasi se wodi for anase wodi bem ewo kwadu a wodi abono no ho sanso ananka pamfo a court no hwe animu se obeyi wo mo se wo metena asem so no wantimi anya ho adwuma nanso madwo busuafo ade adesre ato mpanifo animu se wohwe se atantere na ebekọ so titiru ama maadwoa abusua wogya wo akire ene ne ba wodi mfie miansen
ne se me ye batan maadwoa okula ketwa 3 years small girl omo hye akola no so no muntimi mu atantere omo maadwoa justice wo se ye nya atantere ne ema nyina sam na aba ne fa ma nyina ho se ne maadwoa ato maadwoa ekine betimi ato me nso
make say court no ahye sekita on sabosme da toso aduonu nsia brabo awiadumienu obasan tena asemi so oyemeta wi amani boni Kumasi
Yefra Sante Mantem Munensa Bejinemo ewo my Ghana Yemra Shebedwam na appointment committee ye wo Shebedwam no empanifo aye nsachara ye won nsema hodo na se hyehye a wo modidi edwuma no onsa appointment committee ni anatetene ni no eye wo bia owo amanyoko ye wo aban mu ntiga sabre no opanyina no wotena so ye first deputy speaker no ne se MPP amanyoko ni mu ena wo na se sansachara wo mo ye bibia toto ye na se appointment committee ni tetene ni ebe free amanyoko a wo no ni aban mu na se sa ebe free eye bia Adom kuma no afem no no abaye titine ni na aboa amanhyehye ya hodo ebekoso e wodwumadie no so no atumi agina brane.
I recall the debate that took place around the question of whether heads of independent constitutional bodies should be admitted in this house. And I recall I was one of those that had doubts about whether or not we could allow them to appear before us. And so the proposal that allows us to give audience to independent constitutional bodies to appear before us, given that they are not under sector ministers, and the existing rules only allow sector ministers to appear before us and answer questions. If we stick to the existing rules, we will deny ourselves the opportunity to hold independent constitutional bodies accountable by the mechanisms of parliamentary oversight that are known to us.
Mrashabijani Awa Ayawaso Central, Henry Corte, and so to just say, I won't be here, Sir Committee, a woman etieno, a bibefa, a yes security, any intelligence.
We have a committee on defense and interior. Mr. Speaker, clearly security and intelligence is a different ballgame altogether. May I suggest that members who will be selected to be on this committee, there should be a clause, Mr. Speaker, to, as it were, guide them from divulging confidential information that may harm the security of the nation.
Yemfi hono mana yankwanse foforo emwa na oswafo woro no hwa akone ebe de ho ensem eso kwakwo fori asia ma akopie bo marche bedwam de ato marche bedwam no se Tamale International Airport na Nyankopon yadma bosumi ayewom kita wonsai ni de twato na ebe free ne dwumadi asie na wose we ne beboa ama wo mo ewo eye atifi mantem ho no ne mantem ahodo bembe no obese otu kwan free wo my Ghana mahu hia se ba be kankra ha abaye niema bi ansa na wafuru bi mo sha akọ bia wo no wa no wotimi bopine Tamale International Airport anu afiri ho no akọ se niema egu akwa mu nti se de bosumi ni de twato ebe bia no ne fridge mase.
Mr. Speaker, originally the terminal was scheduled to go live in December 2022 to simulate operations and effective integration of airport systems. The go live had to be postponed to pave way for completion of all requisite training, site acceptance tests, and systems integration. Mr. Speaker, I wish to inform this August House that having completed all these, the go live for operationalization of the new terminal building is scheduled for 31st July 2023.
Enwachi osaka de to aso se impanyifo hwehwe ya wode agu akwam no eye nhwehwe ba ko bi eba behwe se phase 3 ewo biom hyen bi obetumi ahye no so ase.
Per our arrangement and the program we put in place, the phase 3 of the Tamale International Airport is at this conceptual stage. Expression of interest for engineering, procurement, contract, and financing is being prepared. And Mr. Speaker, and when it is done, I'll come back to the House and brief the House. Thank you.